Okay. So, so to get the favor, to get the approval of everybody, to get approval from your parents, to get approval from your friends, you feel you have to do something, you have to achieve something. सो यू ऑटोमेटिकली फील कि जैसे मैं हूँ वो ठीक नहीं है, मुझे कुछ करना है, अगर मैं कुछ करूँगी नहीं तो मैं अधूरी रह जाऊंगी या या लोग समझेंगे कि मैं ठीक नहीं हूँ, मेरे में मतलब काबिलियत नहीं है। लोग क्या समझेंगे, मैं खुद समझूंगी कि मेरे में काबिलियत नहीं है। सो यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ योर सेल्फ एज इनकम्प्लीट, यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ योर सेल्फ एज नॉट सफिशिएंट, एंड what you want is you want to do things, to make it, to achieve things, so that you yourself can feel confident. बाकी दुनिया तो कोई समझती कुछ नहीं है, doesn't the world doesn't actually care they don't care whether you are successful or not, they are too busy with their own problems. But you yourself don't feel that you have accomplished enough, you yourself feel adhura. So that is the big problem. That kind of thinking is a big problem. And to do that, then what happens is, then anything that comes in front of you, कोई भी चीज, उसने घर खरीदा, मुझे भी घर चाहिए, देन वो डिजायर बन जाती है। वो बताया था ना लास्ट टाइम, आई शोड यू हाउ थिंग्स टर्न टू डिजायर just by seeing something, by being in association with something. When your mind is not full, then everything turns into a desire, बिकॉज तुमको ऑलरेडी लगता है कि मैं अधूरी हूं, मुझे कुछ और करना है। देन अगर आपके सामने लगेंगे लोगों ने घर खरीदा, तो आप भी कहोगे मैंने भी घर खरीदना है। फिर देन यू विल बी, योर माइंड विल बी फोकस्ड ऑन वो घर कैसे खरीदूं, पूरी जतन करके आपने कहा ये करो वो करा कुछ करा, घर खरीदा। फिर थोड़ी देर के लिए शांति हो जाएगी कि घर अच्छा मिल गया, बट आफ्टर 2 और 3 months देन दैट घर बिकम्स नॉर्मल वो अच्छा सा घर है, उसकी खुशी खत्म हो जाती है। देन you're back to feeling I want more, बिकॉज मैं अधूरी हूँ। Then the next thing comes up. Then you want a bigger house or you want a bigger car. Then you go after that car. या या लोग कहते हैं कि मुझे पावर चाहिए, मुझको एमएलए की सीट चाहिए, या कुछ भी चाहिए, जो भी चाहिए, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा हमारी जिंदगी में। इफ यू स्टॉप जस्ट नाउ, अगर आप सोचो, आपको पता चल जाएगा मेरी बड़ी सारी वांट्स हैं, ये मेरी डिजायर है, ये डिजायर। एट एनी पॉइंट इन टाइम वी हैव डिजायर्स, एंड आर आर थिंकिंग इज उस समय कि अगर वो हमारी डिजायर कंप्लीट हो जाए तो मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी। हमेशा ये, कभी भी आप जब बचपन में थे तब भी ऐसे ही सोचते थे हम सब। मैं छोटा था, मुझे याद है, मेरे को लगता था मुझे ये चाहिए, अगर मेरे को एडमिशन मिल गई अच्छे कॉलेज में तो मेरी तो जिंदगी बन गई, मैं खुश हो गया, मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए। वो एडमिशन मिल गई राइट उसके बाद अच्छी जॉब मिल गई, वो भी मिल गई। सो हर एक चीज मिलती रहती है, और हर एक टाइम ऐसे लगता है कि इसके मिलने से सब ठीक हो जाएगा। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड संसार का, इट्स कॉल्ड द चक्कर, संसार का चक्कर, द व्हील ऑफ संसार, राइट। एंड ये क्यों है? ये इसलिए है बिकॉज, नॉट बिकॉज कोई बाहर की चीज है जो हमको चाहिए या कुछ होगा, इट्स आवर ओन फीलिंग। बिकॉज हम शुरू से हम अपने आप को अधूरा समझते हैं। तो अगर आप अपने आप को अधूरा समझते हैं, तो हम समझते हैं कि किसी चीज के मिलने से हम पूरे हो जाएंगे। हो सकता है किसी रिलेशनशिप के मिलने से पूरे हो जाएंगे, अगर मेरे को बड़ा अच्छा हस्बैंड मिल गया तब मैं पूरी हो जाऊंगी, वो भी नहीं होता राइट। सो सो बिकॉज अगर आप अपने आप को अधूरा समझोगे तो किसी बाहर की चीज के मिलने से कभी पूरे नहीं होते। दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। यू कैन नेवर कंप्लीट समथिंग बाय एडिंग टू इट, राइट? बिकॉज दैट जस्ट देन यू वांट मोर, बिकॉज देयर इज नेवर एन एंड टू इट। सो ये जो थिंकिंग है हमारी, ये हमारी आदत है मन की, दिस मेक्स अ माइंड वीक। वाई डज इट मेक इट वीक? इट मेक्स इट वीक बिकॉज इट्स ओन आइडिया ऑफ इट सेल्फ इज कि मेरे में स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है, मैं पूरी नहीं हूं, मैं कंप्लीट नहीं हूं। दैट इज वाई द माइंड इज वीक। सो वॉट हैपन्स इज इट गेट्स स्वेड बाय डिजायर्स। अ वीक माइंड गेट्स स्वेड बाय एवरीथिंग। किसी ने कुछ बुरा कहा आपको, खत्म। किसी ने आपकी प्रेज करी तो वो बहुत अच्छा है। किसी ने आपके से कुछ धोखा करा तो गुस्सा। किसी ने आपको प्यार करा तो वाह वाह वाह। सो योर माइंड गेट्स स्वेड बाय जो बाहर की चीजें हैं, स्वेड बाय डिजायर्स। सो दैट इज अ वीक माइंड। स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंड कौन सा होता है? स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंड ऑन द अदर हैंड इज अ माइंड जिसको पता है आई एम कंप्लीट, मैं हूं, मेरे भगवान हैं राइट, मैं कंप्लीट हूं। मुझे किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अगर कुछ मिल जाए तो बहुत अच्छा है, और why not, and a strong person will be what? He or she will be complete and satisfied, and then he will say, because I am happy, my relationships with others will also be happy, because I'm not looking for something from the others to complete me. When you are incomplete, then your relationships, you're expecting, you want something from people, and that will always lead to problems somewhere or down the line. But if you feel you're complete, then you're not wanting from people. All you're doing is, okay, I enjoy that person, let me give to that person. Your thinking is more about giving. It's just automatic. It's not कि आपने सोच के करा है, राइट? आप भी देख लो अपनी जिंदगी में, आप देखोगे कुछ लोग हैं जो यू ऑलवेज लाइक टू बी अराउंड देम, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट asking you. They are not saying bad things about others. They are not asking you for things. They are not angry. They are not. They are just. You feel that they are loving because they are. You can see that they are happy. They're complete, and they don't have to be very rich. Right? They could be rich. They may not be rich. Doesn't matter. Could be powerful, not powerful. Doesn't matter. गरीब गरीब लोग भी ऐसे होते हैं. So that is a strong mind. So to first convert your mind from a weak mind to a strong mind. Only a strong mind can properly understand ये जो गीता में ज्ञान है ना, कि मैं आत्मा हूं, ये ज्ञान समझने के लिए यू नीड अ स्ट्रांग माइंड. सो दैट इज वाई भगवान कृष्ण सेज, पहले तो उन्होंने बता दिया अर्जुन को कि ये ज्ञान है, बट देन ही आल्सो सेड, ही सेड कि तेरे को ऐसे समझ नहीं आएगा, पहले तेरे को कर्म योग करना है. दैट इज योर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ बिजनेस. तूने अपने माइंड को स्ट्रांग करना है. ठीक है? सो दैट इज द पर्पस ऑफ कर्म योग. वंस यू बिकम स्ट्रांग, वंस यू हैव कॉन्फिडेंस, वंस यू डोंट फील कि मुझे ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, मुझे, मैं इस पे निर्भर हूँ, दिस रिलेशनशिप अगर चली जाएगी तो मेरे खत्म हो जाऊंगी. वंस यू डोंट फील लाइक दैट, वंस यू हैव सम स्ट्रेंथ, देन this knowledge can be absorbed by you. That mind can understand what Bhagwan Krishna is saying. It can focus on the knowledge. Okay? Because this knowledge is very counterintuitive. It is not like every other knowledge. Every other knowledge is you gain the knowledge to get something. Here, you're not gaining the knowledge to get something. You're gaining the knowledge to recognize what you already have. Atma. वो already is there. लेकिन आपको पता नहीं था उसके बारे में, वो दिखती नहीं है. So this is a different kind of knowledge. ठीक है? So that is why you need Karam Yoga. And then Bhagwan Krishna has started in chapters, second half of chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6. He is talking again and again about different aspects of Karam Yoga. So starting from basics, more advanced, more advanced, more advanced, right? That is how he is explaining. And in the end, in chapter 5, actually, he is talking not just Karam Yoga, he's saying how the Karam Yogi then automatically transitions to Gyan. जो हमने तुमको सांख्या का ज्ञान दिया था, वो कैसे वो अपनी डे बाय डे में यू इनकॉपरेट. सो ही लेज आउट अ होल पाथ. सो मैं आपको पाथ तो बता दूंगा, बट इट इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट पाथ. सो वी हैव टू बी पेशेंट. वी हैव टू स्टार्ट doing whatever we can do right now, and then slowly, gradually we become stronger and become more knowledgeable. So this is the first 6 chapters of the Gita. That is how it describes. It's about tvam, it's about us. ठीक है? And then after that, there are more subjects. He talks about Ishwar and the world, how the world was created, and all those kinds of things. So, if you remember now, this Karam Yoga, what did we say? So, Karam Yoga में उसने कहा था, starting point, पहले you have to have what is called eka buddhi. Eka buddhi and vyavasaya atmika buddhi. ठीक है? Which means you need to have, you need to start thinking मेरा purpose क्या है? And find a purpose which is bigger than just you. इट्स बिगर देन मुझे आज घर चाहिए, मुझे आज ये चाहिए, मुझे आज, नन ऑफ दीज सेल्फिश पर्पसेस. ये पर्पसेस तो सब में है. आपको क्या चाहिए वो पर्पस तो बहुत क्लियर है. उसमें कोई ज़्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. लेकिन यू थिंक अबाउट, forget for a minute all these little things and say, what would give me real meaning in life, real meaning, which is a bigger purpose than just these purposes. And everybody will have that. Everybody has something which they feel uniquely equipped to do. सब में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी बात होती है, हर एक आदमी में डिफरेंट होती है, लेकिन जो भी आप में है वो ढूंढो अपने आप में, और सोचो वो क्या है, कौन सी चीज़ है जो जो मेरे से बड़ी है, जिसको मैं जिसको मैं पर्पस समझ सकती हूँ अपनी जिंदगी का, एंड से ओके, लेट मी कमिट माई सेल्फ टू दैट. What happens is when you have a bigger purpose, then these small desires, small things are easier to overcome, right? Because then the bigger purpose starts mattering more than these little things. उसने मुझे ये कहा, उसने मुझे वो कहा. All these things matter less. Yeah, empty mind is a devil's workshop. So you want a mind which has got some purpose, and you have to find that purpose. So for example, just to give you examples, अगर आप समझो, मतलब I'm giving you a very grand example. जैसे महात्मा गांधी थे. He had a purpose. His purpose was I want to. मैंने उन्होंने when he was in South Africa, then he had kind of decided कि I want to work towards India's independence. And as he came back to India from South Africa, this purpose grew and grew and grew. He saw more and more and more, and he said, "Yes, this is it." He dedicated himself everything to India as independent. So when you have a purpose like that, then small things don't matter, right? So he could start, he said, अगर मुझे बताना है कि मुझे वो चाहिए, even if I have to live like a sannyasi in order to show people that I am not in it for myself, मेरा अपना कोई इसमें स्वार्थ नहीं है, मैं सचमुच देश की वो चाहता हूँ, आज़ादी चाहता हूँ, तो ही सर उसको दिखाने के लिए मैं सन्यासी की तरह रहूंगा. तब तो किसी को शक नहीं होगा ना. जैसे मोदी कहता है, मेरा ना बेटा है ना कोई कुछ है, मैं क्या करूंगा पैसे से, राइट, और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. सो ही लिव्ड लाइक दैट. ही सेड मुझे कोई जरूरत नहीं है किसी चीज की, बिकॉज माई पर्पस इज सो स्ट्रांग. सो दैट वाज एन एक्सट्रीम केस, बट दैट्स व्हाट पर्पस डज. एक बार तुम जेल चले गए, कुछ आपको दुख हो गया, कुछ यू लूज समथिंग, यू डोंट माइंड दैट सो मच. यू कैन ओवरकम ऑल दैट बिकॉज यू नो योर माइंड इज द बिगर पर्पस. वो जेल भी गया तो कहता है मैं खुश हूँ जेल में, बिकॉज इट इज सर्विंग द बिगर पर्पस, राइट. बट अगर कोई पर्पस ना हो और आपको जेल में कोई डाल दे, तो यू विल फील रियली टेरेबल, राइट. यू विल फील मिजरेबल. बट इफ यू नो दैट यू हैव अ हायर पर्पस, देन अ लॉट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स दे डोंट बॉदर यू. किसी ने कुछ कहा, बुरा कहा, अच्छा कहा, वो सब चीजें फिर मैटर नहीं करती दैट मच. सो वन थिंग विच गीता सेज, भगवान कृष्ण सेज, दैट हेल्प्स इज अ पर्पस. ही सेड अल्टीमेटली जो पर्पस है, अल्टीमेटली जब बहुत ऊंचे पहुंच के, दैट पर्पस बिकम्स मोक्ष. देन मोक्ष बिकम्स योर पर्पस. ऑल यू वांट इज मोक्ष. आपको ये जिंदगी का कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मोक्ष चाहिए, लेकिन वो तो बहुत ऊंची चीज है हमारे लिए. मोक्ष तो हमको समझ ही नहीं आती अभी क्या है. सो फॉर अस फॉर नाउ, हैव अ पर्पस, एंड टेक योर टाइम अबाउट इट, नो रश. टेक योर टाइम, बट थिंक इन दीज टर्म्स, that how can I have a bigger purpose which will be which will concentrate all my energies, जो सब कुछ, it will harness everything together and you know make it bring some cohesion into my life. नहीं तो you get scattered. इधर ये कर दिया, उधर वो कर दिया, थोड़ा इधर कर दिया, थोड़ा उधर कर दिया. So भगवान कृष्ण says that scattered brain, he has described it in the Gita. He says that brain is not good. That's a weak brain. आपको जब स्कैटर्ड होते हो ना, देन हर एक चीज हर्ट करती है, हर एक चीज में प्रॉब्लम होती है. लेकिन जब पर्पस होता है, देन दैट डजंट बिकम स्कैटर्ड, देन योर एनर्जीज बिकम फोकस्ड. सो दैट इज नंबर वन. ठीक है. देन ही सेड कि आपका जो एक्चुअली जो दूसरी चीज आपको याद रखनी है कि जो आपका अधिकार है, वो सिर्फ कर्म पे है, ऑन योर वर्क, नॉट ऑन रिजल्ट्स. एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. क्योंकि आप देखो, lot of people they do so much work, they put in so much effort. Some of them succeed very beyond their expectations, others just don't. There is something called luck, and in Sanskrit that thing is called daivya. This daivya is a very big part of everything. Luck. There is something called circumstances, you know, which you have no control over. जैसे one example is, जैसे जो farmers होते हैं, they plow their seeds, their lands. उन्होंने खेती में अपना खूब मेहनत करते हैं, खूब मतलब कर करा के, कहीं से लोन लेके कुछ करके बीज डालते हैं, अच्छे बीज डालते हैं, सब कुछ बढ़िया करते हैं पूरे तरीके से, नो कटिंग कॉर्नर्स। लेकिन किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि खेती होगी कि नहीं? रेन्स पे। अगर मॉनसून अच्छी होगी तो खेती होगी, अगर रेन कम होगी तो कितना भी तुम करो, देयर इज नो रिजल्ट। और अगर रेन बहुत ज़्यादा होगी तो फ्लड्स हो जाएंगे, अगेन योर क्रॉप्स आर गॉन। सो टू गेट योर क्रॉप्स अल्टीमेटली, चाहे कितनी भी तुम मेहनत करो, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे it is not in your hands. And that's a big problem with the Indian farmers today, right? Because they, so many commit suicide because they cannot, they are dependent completely on on the rains. So they have no control. And this is true for in every situation of our life. अब बच्चों के साथ भी you can do the level best with the children. You can give them, try to give them the best education, everything. But you don't have full control on how they will turn out, exactly what they will be, right? So this is this is what Bhagwan Krishna has been saying. He's saying, but you have, but he also said you have control on the action. So you cannot say कि because I don't have control on the results, मैं कुछ करूंगी ही नहीं. That is not okay. That is not Karam Yoga. If you want to strengthen your mind, if you want to be a Karam Yogi, you have to strengthen your mind. You have to do everything to the best of your ability. Right? That was the first part of the shlok 2.47, which is Karmani Eva Adhikarastu. That's a very well known श्लोक कि कर्म पे आपका अधिकार है। सो सबसे पहले आपको अपनी पूरी एफर्ट करनी है। देन यू हैव टू से कि मैं अम, अपनी एफर्ट करूंगी, उसमें मुझे मेरी खुशी है। माई हैप्पीनेस इज इन माई जॉब। अच्छा काम करने से मेरी काम में खुशी है। रिजल्ट्स आ गए बहुत अच्छे हैं, नहीं आए भगवान की मर्जी। ठीक है, बट इट डजेंट, यू हैव टू कीप डूइंग योर वर्क। दिस द सेकेंड थिंग वॉज, काम पे मेरा अधिकार है, लेकिन सेकेंड थिंग वॉज कि रिजल्ट्स पे अधिकार नहीं है। एंड थर्ड थिंग ही सेज इन द श्लोक इज, ही सेज डोंट बी अटैच टू लेजीनेस। लेजी नहीं होना। ठीक है, लेजीनेस कर्म योग नहीं है। सो कर्म योग ही हैज डिस्क्राइब्ड इट इन थ्री थिंग्स फॉर अ बिगिनर, फॉर अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट। वन, ही सेड डू योर वर्क to the best of your ability. Two, leave the results to God. Don't think that you have a right on the results. You have no right on the results. And three, not to be lazy. Don't be lazy. So अगर आप इस तरीके से काम करोगे अपना, इन तीन चीजों को सामने रखते हुए, then your mind will become stronger. That is a guarantee that your mind will become stronger. It is not a, it is not a, it's a proven thing, committed, promised by God, by Krishna Bhagwan. You work like this, your mind will become strong. You will become less dependent on other people. You'll become less dependent on circumstances. You will be more happy with yourself. And that guarantee Bhagwan Krishna has given, and that is called Karma Yoga. So अभी तक हमने क्या कहा? दो चीजें। एक, पर्पस होना चाहिए, a bigger purpose. Find a purpose in your life which is bigger than just this day-to-day things. Second, approach your work in these three things. One, do your work to the best of your ability. Second, do not be attached to results because results are not in your hand. Find your joy not in the results of your action, but in the action itself. Find your joy in the action. There is more joy in the action. Third, he said, do not be lazy. Of the third part of this. Okay? So this is what so far he said, and then he also said one more thing about कर्म योग। शुरू में हम जो हमारे लिए कर्म योग है, not the advanced कर्म योग, जो हमारा कर्म योग है, which is introspect. At the end of every day, do a little reflection. Think about how you behaved during the course of the day. Just take 10 minutes and think कि during the course of the day मेरी कैसे interaction हुई थी लोगों के साथ. And the catch is you'll find Focus on those times when, for example, you got angry or you got depressed or something happened where you were agitated. Then find out what caused that depression and agitation. And this reflection is a very different kind of reflection. This is not a reflection where you'll say, I got agitated because that person spoke badly to me. That's a bad person. I got agitated. वो reflection नहीं है ये. This is not कर्म योग. कर्म योग का मतलब है you have to reflect on yourself, not on the other person. You have to stop. You have to say, assume I am not finding fault with the other person because I'm not interested in making the other person's mind strong. I'm interested in making my own mind strong, right? So you have to focus on yourself. So that person spoke badly to me, but I reacted with anger. Why did I react with anger? What caused me to get angry at those words? And you think like that and say, you trace it down, you will find most of the time it has to do with your ego. Your ego got hurt, your pride got hurt, or something like that. Or it has to do with some insecurity. Because you're already insecure. वो कहते हैं ना दुखती दुखती रग पे अगर कोई लगा दे हाथ तो बड़ी दर्द होती है. तो you find out your दुखती रग, not the हाथ. You have to find what is the दुखती रग in you. ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो कि उसने कुछ कह दिया और मुझे ऐसी डिफिकल्टी हो गई. So that is the meditation or the reflection you have to do. Because then what happens by that is once you recognize what is the problem or what is the issue in yourself which is causing this reaction, then next time when that happens, you're more likely to not you're in a better position to deal with it. Then and this is a long process. Then you will again make a mistake. Then you have to think about things. So this will take time, but get into the habit of not thinking about the other person and how that other person is bad, what is wrong with that other person, but in the habit of thinking about yourself. What is what is it about my reaction that I have to change? This is not easy, right? Because हमारी आदतें हमेशा आदत पड़ी है दूसरे के सोचने की. Right from the beginning. कुछ भी हमारे साथ गड़बड़ होती है, we blame the other person. This is just habit. So now Karma Yoga is telling you have to change that habit, consciously change that habit. One little step at a time, you have to change that habit. And you have to start thinking about yourself. Okay? So these are the three things which are early Karma Yoga हमारे लिए. एक क्या था? Purpose. Second, I call practice. Practice means practice by focusing on the work, not on the results. And third, reflection. Reflect on how you behave during the course of the day, what, how you can change it, what was your focusing on yourself, not on the other party. Okay? This is this is what we learned in chapter 2. And we have finished chapter 2, and we are now going to proceed to chapter 3. So chapter 3 we can start next time. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है because we are already 45 minutes into it. But I want to make sure that we are all on the same page. We understand what so far has been told by Krishna Bhagwan. Any question or anything so far on these three things? So yeah, remember, क्या है हमारा? First, find a purpose.
Okay.
ठीक है? A bigger purpose for your life that works for you, which gives meaning to you. हर एक का अपना अलग अलग है. किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. अपना सोचो आप. चाहे it doesn't have to, it could be taking care of your parents, it could be bringing up your children well, it could be anything. Find your purpose. Number two, practice. And
Okay.
practice कैसे? Practice by doing your work, whatever work you're doing, to the best of your ability by finding pleasure in the work itself. Find perfect your work. जो भी काम है उसको बेटर करो, उसी में प्लेजर है. आप कुक कर रहे हो तो समझो कैसे मैं अपनी कुकिंग इंप्रूव कर सकती हूँ, कैसे मैं बेटर कुक बन सकती हूँ, उसमें प्लेजर है. Whether somebody appreciates your cooking or not, or whether the cooking turns out to be good or not, immaterial. Leave that to God. Focus on your cooking, right? So focus on the work itself. Get the satisfaction from work. Then do not get attached to results. and don't be lazy. These three things Bhagwan said in 2.47, right? In that famous verse. And the third part of Karma Yoga is reflection. Reflect on your day, focus on yourself, what you can change about yourself. Don't think about changing anything in the world. Remember, the world is perfect as it is, which is very difficult. क्योंकि आप सोचोगे वर्ल्ड में क्या क्या हो रहा है, आगे किसी से पूछो, इंडिया में इतने दंगे हो रहे हैं, अमेरिका में दंगे हो रहे हैं, वहाँ लड़ाई हो रही है, वहाँ फसाद हो रहा है, आपको लगेगा दुनिया इज कमिंग टू एन एंड. यू विल से दुनिया इज बिकमिंग हॉरिबल हॉरिबल हॉरिबल. नो, भगवान कृष्ण इज सेइंग नो नो नो, द वर्ल्ड इज परफेक्ट. नथिंग इज रॉन्ग विद द वर्ल्ड. इट इज एग्जैक्टली एज आई इंटेंडेड इट टू बी. ये भगवान ने बनाई है दुनिया, राइट? भगवान ने सोच के बनाई है. उसने इसलिए बनाई है ताकि इस दुनिया से आप सीखो. So, what you have to see is, if the world is perfect, what is it in me that is causing me this grief? What is it in me that's causing me anxiety? The world is perfect to be our teacher. That's what the world is perfect. It's not perfect that everything is going smoothly. It's perfect as a teacher. It is teaching us by showing us how we are reacting. When we react to the world, it's teaching us. Okay? So that's the reflection you have to do. Assuming everything is fine, no need to change anything. बिकॉज वो ख्याली पुलाव होते हैं, ये भी बदल दूंगा ना, तो यू कैन चेंज एनीथिंग एनी वे. राइट? सो उनमें ख्याली पुलाव में मत पड़ो. अब ये समझो कि मेरे को, वॉट शुड आई बी डूइंग डिफरेंटली, वॉट हैव आई डन विच इज कॉजिंग मी ऑल दिस ग्रीफ, और हाउ कैन आई रिएक्ट in a different way to become happier. And I'm saying it's not easy. That's the first thing
It's
I'm
not
saying.
easy at all. First of all, how to think only ke what do you want?
Yeah,
Besides, because ये सारी gains को छोड़ के to think much bigger than what we are.
right.
It's like that.
Right. That's not easy. And to be able to think, reflect on ourselves and
Right.
find okay, focus on me, not on the other person, but focus on me. Say world is perfect. That is not easy also. None of this is easy. That is why it's not supposed to be easy. But what Bhagwan Krishna has said, and this he says the first thing he said about Karma Yoga, he said he understands that it's not easy, but he says, so even a little bit, the minutest bit of work that you do on Karma Yoga, it will pay results. छोटे से छोटा एक, मतलब नॉट ओनली विल इट पे रिजल्ट्स, इट विल स्टे. ताकि अर्जुन ने उनसे पूछा कि आपने मुझे कहा है ये करने को, लेकिन ये तो बहुत बड़ा काम है, मैं लड़ाई में जा रहा हूँ, कल को मैं मर जाऊंगा लड़ाई में, तो क्या होगा, ये सारा वेस्ट हो जाएगा. भगवान से नथिंग इज वेस्टेड. सी, आपको याद है दिस कर्म, कर्म फल होता है ना, हम कहते थे कि जो फल का, कर्म का फल मिलता है अगले जन्म में, जैसे तुमने फल कर्म करे वैसा तुमको फल मिलेगा, और संचिता कर्म वगैरह होता है. सो गीता एक्सप्लेन्स दिस. इट सेज कि व्हेन यू बिकम अ कर्म योग, the karam you do as a karam yoga, they take precedence over everything else. Meaning, what that means is कि अगर आपने पुराने जमाने में एक पिछले कोई पाप भी करे होंगे, मे बी इन सम प्रीवियस जन्म यू हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ पाप, सो अगले जन्म में शायद आपको उस पाप का रिजल्ट मिलना पड़ेगा, हो सकता है, राइट? नॉट जस्ट फॉर दिस जन्म बट प्रीवियस जन्म ऑल्सो, संचिता कर्म. ही सेज दैट विल नॉट हैपन ऑल्सो, because the karam yoga, once you're on the path of karam yoga, then whatever karams you do as a karam yoga, they take precedence over anything else you've done in the past. First, you will get the phal of the karam yoga. In other words, it means कि आपको next जन्म में you will start, you will get the conditions which are conducive for you to continue your practice. This practice you're doing is not, has, doesn't have to be done in this जन्म. अब हमारे पास कितना
Continue.
टाइम रह गया इस जन्म में? 20-30 साल रह गए, 10 साल रह गए, गॉड नोज हाउ मच टाइम वी गॉट. हु नोज, मे बी इट्स इवन टुमारो, कुछ कुछ नहीं पता. बट इट डजंट, शुड नॉट स्टॉप अस, बिकॉज दिस इज द स्टार्ट ऑफ अ मल्टी जन्म process, maybe 3-4 janam. So you do now, he says start now, and it will guarantee that next time also, next janam also, you will get the good conditions which will give you, which will take your practice further. The fact that we are
And
in
then
this
what?
field, hmm,
Then what happens to the Sanchalit Karam?
that is the beauty of it. Because what you are doing now is Sanchita karma, prarabdha karma are for samsaris. A samsari is a person who has not started on the path of karma yoga or on the path of
Right.
jnana. When you start on the path of karma yoga and jnana, then those sanchita karmas are not gone anywhere, but they are
Right.
in the background. Meaning some they will may have still have some impact, but the primary impact will be from the karmas you've done as a karma yogi.
Correct.
And once you become a jnani, all the karmas are wiped out.
Yes.
They're all gone. You don't have any core karmas left. That is why they say that when you become a jnani, you're not going to be born again. Because born के लिए you need karmas. अगर आपके पास कर्म ही
Right.
नहीं है तो किस लिए born होगे? क्या क्या करने के
Brilliant.
लिए born होगे? Right? आप
So that
born
means
इसलिए
अभी
होते
तक
हैं.
जो जो अभी तक हम लोग जिए हैं is in a way it wasn't karam yogi, it was karam in the sense for your better survival and your dear ones better survival. That
Yes.
was what we were been doing
So
so far.
actually, what you have to think about, the better way to think about it is what you've been doing so far has been to prepare yourself for Karma Yoga. See, because of the things that you have done so far, because of the mishaps you faced, जो दुख सेक सहे हम सब ने दुख सहे समझे सहे हैं, वो दुख ही हैं जो हमको अल्टीमेटली गीता की ओर ले गए हैं, जो इस रास्ते पे ले गए हैं. अगर हमारी जिंदगी में दुख नहीं होते तो हम कभी इधर आते ही नहीं.
Ah,
हम
right.
तो बैठे रहते जहाँ पे थे. राइट. सो ये जो
Mm.
अभी तक जो हमने करा है दैट इज प्रेपरेटरी फॉर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू फ्रॉम हियर ऑन. एंड भगवान कृष्ण ऑल्सो सेड ही सेज अगर कभी जैसे हमारा ग्रुप है हम इकट्ठे मिलके बातें कर रहे हैं, ये हमने कुछ अच्छे कर्म करे होंगे कि हम ऐसे मिलके बातें कर रहे हैं, कि हमने हमको ये मौका मिला है. ये इफ यू लुक अराउंड नॉट मेनी पीपल गेट दिस एंड दे आर
No.
नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. दे लिव एंड डाई विदाउट एवर thinking about any
Being exposed to it.
being exposed to it. Right. So but the point is now, of course nobody can force anything, you can't force yourself also, but you will find yourself changing. You'll find that little, बाकी आसपास के लोगों को पता ना चले शायद, that is not true, but in your own mind you will see changes, because you'll see that you will no longer see things the way you were seeing before. You won't automatically blame the other person. You'll see you're starting to focus on yourself. This is the power of the words of the Gita. It doesn't matter who says them. I say it or somebody else says it. The words have power. It's the faith, Shraddha in the Gita. Because Gita has said it, Bhagwan Krishna has said it, it must be something. We will consider it. We will never outright reject it. So he says you get started. Even a little bit will help you. Right now it'll help you. It'll start helping you right away. You'll find a little more peace, little more contentment in your life right now, and it will continue in future jन्म्स. This is not going to stop. जहाँ पे जो आपने सीखा है अभी तक वहां से ही शुरू करोगे आगे, कुछ वेस्ट नहीं होगा. So this was chapter 2. All this is chapter 2. ठीक है. So you can see this is the starting point. बहुत लंबा है. Chapter 3 मैंने आपको बताया भी नहीं है, बस that is really even more. You have to, that's
Go
that says
deeper.
things like you have to see everything as Ishwar, and you have to see yourself not as the doer, but Ishwar is the doer. You are the vessel of Ishwar who's doing everything.
You're
Those
the
things are
onlooker.
little too much for us right now, but we will go into it next time. But just to know. But our next step is these three things. ठीक है. Other questions? Rani Bhabhi, what
हाँ
did you
जी.
feel first session आपका? समझ आ रही थी चीजें?
Yes, yes.
Does it make sense?
दसो.
भाभी,
हाँ जी.
समझ आ रही थी? Any
बिल्कुल.
question, any comment, anything? It's difficult.
Right now I can't say anything.
Don't say anything. It's forget about it. Don't worry. चलो.
But she will join the classes from next time.
That is
है
good.
ना?
That's good. Yeah. जैसे आपका दिल है, कोई जबरदस्ती बिल्कुल. This is not something
नहीं,
which
I
is.
understand. I understand.
There should be no जबरदस्ती in this process. See, I mean, I believe everybody, not just us, everybody ultimately is on the same path. They are just at different stages. So we are all,
And
हमारा
different
पूरा
meaning.
at the end, हमारा जो end of all of us is liberation. Each and every
That's
person.
like,
That is the end. हमको पता नहीं चलता, but we are all on the journey in our own way.
it's a
Everybody is
very
on his own.
difficult question to think. If, what is a goal, or now what is our aim in life?
कोई बात नहीं. I
But
mean, don't struggle too much on it. Whatever comes
Not struggle
naturally.
on it, but
Hmm.
you have to reflect on it. No?
Yeah, reflect on it and see for yourself, that'll, the thinking about it itself is going to give you, we never even think
Clarity.
like this. That's the main thing. This is a new way of thinking. कि,
Right.
right? मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ जो जो लोगों के लिए अच्छा हो सकता है, which can be something meaningful
you
for
know,
people around me and meaningful for me.
purpose of life should be for looking after others, not looking after for your own self.
Right,
That is what I feel.
right.
So
And
that's something which could give happiness to others.
yes,
That should be the purpose of life.
and the reason
And
for
what
that actually,
way?
uh,
And you have to find the way you can do that.
right,
What can you give to others which will make them happy? Whether the society needs some children, often children need some happiness. What can you do for them? That could be the purpose.
exactly. Yes,
Some
you
old
could be
people,
doing
yeah,
that.
some
Start teaching little
anybody.
children or taking some classes that, because the
Uh,
psychology of the Gita, what Bhagwan
uh,
Krishna or Gita says is, they say that
Hmm.
by giving to others, actually we get meaning in our life. That is
yes,
just the way we are built, all of
bilkul.
us. The real meaning comes because you'll see, even in your own life, you'll see with children, suddenly when we have children, the meaning in our life goes up because then we
Yes,
dedicate everything to our children. We are not thinking
bilkul.
of ourselves, we're thinking of our children, and we become happier. So,
Yes,
By
yes,
sacrificing.
huh? क्या
By
जी?
sacrificing.
Yeah, by thinking of the other person, but and
Yeah.
we don't realize this. We've forgotten this because
It
of
gives
our
us
lives.
pressure.
Right. We get so used to just wanting something for ourselves कि हम भूल गए हैं कि हम अपना pleasure कहाँ से आता है. So that is what this purpose is trying to say. कि try to look like that and then see, you will find that you're actually doing something for other, but you're benefiting yourself more than the others. You know.
yes.
So that's the
Or
idea.
yes,
doing good for others and basically not feeling so happy कि या उसको क्या कह सकते हैं, उसमें प्राइड नहीं आना चाहिए कि हमने किसी
Right.
के लिए कुछ कर.
Correct.
bilkul, bilkul.
बिकॉज आपका लक्ष्य तो आपको पता ही है ना कि आप क्यों कर रहे हो
हाँ,
ये सब कुछ
नॉर्मली
अपनी अपनी
मतलब
लिबरेशन के लिए कर रहे हो. राइट.
कोई करता है किसी के लिए, फिर
राइट.
उसको बताते हैं कि हमने ये करा, तो
हाँ,
आई आई तो पर्पस खत्म हो गया उस चीज
बिल्कुल
का.
बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली राइट. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट गीता में एक्चुअली आगे जाके ही
तो अगर हम
डिस्क्राइब्स दान.
उसी की लड़ाई करेंगे, हमने ये करा, हमने वो करा, उसके
हाँ,
लिए जो छोटा
वो
करा,
खत्म हो गया.
आई दैट एक्शन हैज गॉन वेस्ट.
एग्जैक्टली. वेरी ट्रू.
Rita, you are the living example for all this. Bilkul.
किसी
Really.
और अपना आगे का लेके जा रहे हैं, कोई किसी के लिए
नहीं. You do everything for others, what you can do. Really.
Nitu Mama,
हाँ जी.
at a younger age, this purpose is more ambition oriented, right? So I mean, is that good,
Yeah.
bad, neutral? I mean,
No,
because you
no.
have to meet whatever you have to, right? I mean, materialistically also, though you don't want to get into a lot of materialistic things, but with the child and with yourself, it is more ambition oriented, right?
Yes, absolutely. See,
As
your
the
So how
purpose
do
for
you
younger.
you,
deal with
whether
that?
you, Prachi, for you, definitely you win in a way, big way is your purpose, right? You're dedicating so much to him, to his growth, his development.
Yes,
That's a good purpose
right.
Yeah.
at this stage in
हाँ,
life.
मतलब
At this stage in life.
even when you talk to him, for example, it, and I mean, he is sort of little emotional also with the whole thing, but वही मतलब you have to put that ambition in them also, right? कि जो आपने बोला ना कि when you're brought up in the beginning, you
Yeah.
are brought up with that thought that I think my videos of no use, it's only black. But you're brought up with that thought that कि हाँ, you have to achieve, you have to,
But
so not
Prachi, the
necessarily
way,
compete. You
no,
can
no,
get
no.
out of the competition part, but
I think
hmm,
your own attitude. So you must give him ambition, of course. Whatever you can. He should be. A young child needs good guidance.
hmm,
But your attitude will determine how he takes it. Because if you are showing anxiety and saying, अरे अगर तूने नहीं करा ये तो बहुत बुरा हो जाएगा, दिस बी हॉरिबल, वो ऊंचे चली जाएगी, ये ऐसे हो जाएगा, ऐसे करके अगर आप बताओगे ना कि
hmm,
तू पीछे रह जाएगा, तो उसको, then you are building anxiety in the person. You are thinking you're motivating him, but you are actually building anxiety. That is not good even for a young person. But if you tell
hmm,
a young person, it's good to work hard, it's good to have a goal, and you don't have to work hard to become better than others. You have to work hard to do your best, right? And others are also good. कोई बुरा नहीं है, अगर आप
hmm,
ऐसे करके समझाओगे, then then it will help him grow without anxiety. That will be better, right? So you can
hmm,
if you are educated and you're knowledgeable and you're mature, then you will bring up your child in a different way. But अगर आपको खुद को आप में insecurities हैं, if you yourself actually feel that
hmm,
if your son is not like some top executive somewhere, then you have failed or he has failed. If you actually
hmm.
feel that, then that insecurity will pass on to your child also. So
Yeah,
for
to
you,
some extent, we are brought up in that. I mean,
yes,
like defeating others. So that is one thing I'm very cautious that, I always tell him that we are not bothered about what others do. We are just bothered about where we stand. So that is clear. But uh, yeah, of course, I mean, if he doesn't do well, not comparing to others, but to himself, then that anxiety does build up for me also. कि अरे, marks नहीं आ गए तो अभी क्या होगा?
correct,
That,
correct. So
because that's
actually,
so
so
inbuilt in us.
so what you have to do, honestly,
Hmm.
is not to worry about you win. About this,
Hmm.
you have to work on your own self. Why are you
Huh.
anxious, right? I mean, I'm just being
Hmm.
very straightforward. I don't
No,
know.
no, that's true. That's why I'm asking you because he's
Yeah.
fine. It's me who's the problem. I
Yeah, he's fine. And whatever the children learn from, मैंने ये देखा है in my case, that is one of the children learn not from what you tell them, but they see you. And when they
Hmm.
see you anxious, they absorb
Absorb.
anxiety. Yeah.
Yes.
It is so if we can work on ourselves to be more mature, then it just helps bringing up children also. Anyway, it's like, I mean, Prachi, you're great. There's no, you're already fine. So don't worry. Just continue doing what you're doing. If you're interested in Gita and interested in, going down this path of Karam Yoga, then do it, Aram se, and just trust the process. Trust Bhagwan Ji.
Hmm.
Things are working out well so far, and they will work out well in the future also. Kuch aisa,
Yes.
there's nothing to worry about. We are all very lucky people. Our family is very lucky in a way,
Yes. We are very lucky to have each other.
right?
So we are
With the-
blessed.
Really.
We have the right values.
चारू, आप कैसे हो
That's
बेटा?
true.
ठीक हो ना? Good to see you. Good to see you, Charu. Really nice to see you.
Any
और
other thoughts?
मधु,
Madhu Didi?
इंदु,
Madhu Didi, anything?
और
You're muted,
I
Madhu Didi.
wish I could become a better person like Neeta than trying to do that. बिल्कुल नहीं. Neeta is really very, very nice and very, very good in everything.
Good.
Chalo, God has given me such good help in every way. Such good saath of all of you. Love to have all of you. Honored too. And on top of it, you are there to help all of us.
Okay. So we meet in 2
ठीक
weeks.
है.
Yeah.
Right.
Next time
Okay.
we'll start on chapter 3. So we are going to go deeper into Karam Yoga. Don't get intimidated. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can't we have it weekly? But that becomes too much.
We can, I mean, if you really want to, we can. It may not be every Sunday because I have another group on
Okay.
Sundays, but I can do Saturdays. So you
Yes.
think about it. If you're up to it, if you really want it, we can do it.
If everybody is, it's all right by everybody. So the continuity continues, because
Yeah.
it becomes a long gap after 2 weeks.
So let's revisit this question next time. Okay?
Okay.
Let's not make a
Good.
decision right now. So if you really, because
Yeah.
there's a commitment required, right? So you guys also have to be
Yes.
there and all that. So think about
Yes, yes,
And we
yes.
have to be very clear in what we are absorbing.
Yes, you have to be very clear on what you're observing.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
And
Hello.
putting it into practice also.
Yeah.
Yes. बिल्कुल, not only absorb. चलो बहुत अच्छा है. So at least we are going to be on the right path at least in our life. ये तो है ना हमारी लाइफ का रास्ता तो मिल गया.
Hopefully.
चलो.
Okay. Chalo. Bye bye.